Hello, everybody. Nashville is this is tornado warning developing just immediately to my northwest now, about 3 miles northwest of me, developing tornado. It's going to be just southwest of Kermit. We're just south of Kermit, developing tornado. It's going to be right up here. Just right in this area right here. Developing tornado warning issued by the Nashville Service Midland. Kermit tornado warning. Street with my deal. There's the couple. Immediately back to my step by with this here. Okay, all the tornado warnings. All the tornado warnings are going off. Developing tornado just northwest of me. This is going to be just southwest of Kermit. There's developing hook out goes me west here. Yep, let's see what we got here. Yep, it's going. Okay, guys, I'm gonna sit you right here. Watch it right here from inside the car. You're all safe and tucked away. We'll see if she comes down. We'll see what happens. All right, there we go, guys. Front seat. There we go. Pop it in there. You get right there. Smooth southeast. I'm gonna go outside and shoot with the other camera. Stand by. It's the bowl's coming. It's just to northwest 2 miles. Still active tornado warning. Dropping southeast. Pull out one of my under special attachments here. Yep, there she is. Okay. There we go. See nothing yet. See how this plays out. Okay, that's still going. Bull's getting closer. I'll start moving again here in a minute. So I have a real strong couplet immediately to my northwest on the radar. It is now, it's coming just to our southeast. It shows 2 miles northwest of me. I've got a very strong vortex couplet. And we'll see what happens here. About where you see that dark area is where the couplet's at. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. Couplet's not very, I mean, it's strong. Warranted the tornado warnings. Couplet's still there to my northwest, about 2.5 miles. Yeah, we're Kermit, Texas. We're just immediately south of the New Mexico-Texas border, where Texas tucks back underneath the southeast tip of New Mexico. That's where I'm located. Kermit, Texas. If you look it up on a map. Kind of west of Odessa, about 50 miles. Middle of Odessa, extreme West Texas. So I have a tornadic signature. It may be wrapped in rain. It's about where that real dark here. Let me look here. Boom. It's back to my northwest. It's 2 miles northwest. Still shows a tornado vortex signature. It's back wrapped in the rain to my northwest. We can't see it, but it's probably about where that dust plume is. Just tucked in there. Okay, that last scan it weakened a little bit. Okay, so it's gone. The couplet's gone away. It's going to reform back closer to me now. I got a funnel in the air, just a little bit to your upper left. Hang on a second here. Just a little bitty one. It's not very big. Got all kinds of, I'm gonna have to move again. Let's see what we got here. It's reforming right here now. It's taking over. This guy's taking over here now. There's the RFD cut, which is where the air wraps around. It descends on the back of the storm, comes to the ground. It's kind of like an RFD cut. It cuts out right there. Still got an east wind. That dust. You got the big flow there. This is a very pronounced RFD. It's called rear flank downdraft. Got dust spinning up now. Could be a little small tornado or small little dust devil. Hey, looks like the tube goes all the way up. May have a developing tornado. Hey, west of us, got it. I had a little dust devil. Look straight west. The RFD coming in. It's got a little dust devil coming up. It's like a little translucent tube. It's probably just a gustnado type deal, which you get a lot of out here. The couplet was real strong and it weakened this last scan. I'm assuming it's going to jump over here to us real quick.
This one here.
That's what I'm thinking too. I'm going to take off back east here again.
Yeah, I know.
It's time to move.
Struggling to figure out how I want to
Yeah. This thing is kind of cutting right. Okay, guys. Let's see what we got here. There's the image. Right there's where I'm at. And it's time to move. Got to keep moving. Right? Keep moving. Yep, let's keep moving here, guys. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. About to 18 wheelers on this road. RFD is very pronounced now. Probably won't take too much longer to get a tornado warning. I mean, again, I've already got a tornado. Get a tornado genesis because I've got an RFD real fake downdraft coming now into the bowl. It's cutting into the bowl. Generally got to get that dryer coming in.
Continue on west.
Go here a mile and a half east, and I'm gonna drop south. About 3 miles.
Your route may be affected by severe thunderstorm warning.
Yeah, Sarah's talking to me. RFD is surging southeast now. So don't see a tornado yet. Just east of Wink. About 3 miles, about to drop southeast. Bowl's rapidly coming on top of me now. That drops southeast. Circulation is going to be real close to the road here. It goes south, which is approaching Highway 18, south of Kermit, southeast of Kermit, Highway 18. The bowl's rapidly approaching that. About 5 miles southwest of Kermit's where the rotation is the strongest and where the couplet is.
Turn right onto Texas 18 South.
Okay. Got more chasers. Pulling over. Everybody's wanting to see what it's going to do. battery, the same thing. Okay, we're going south on 18 now. And I'm gonna whip around here, I'm gonna look. We get around this bend here, I'm gonna look. This is what we have. This is 18.
Turn right onto Texas 18 South.
Yep. Here's what I'm gonna do. There's a little pullover here. I'm gonna turn over right here. I'm gonna turn around before I go 18 south and you don't see what's coming or get to see that what's behind me. Here we go. Do a little power slide. Boom, boom, boom. Don't see anything organized right here. Just a big, huge, dusty storm. Don't see anything organized. RFD's there. Continues to surge southeast. Yep. Nothing. Nothing on radar. Nothing on the. Okay, it's just elongated. Got another cell going up in front of it now. Okay, couplet is exploding on radar immediately southwest of me. Immediately southwest of me. New couplet. This is what we talked about. The new couplet would hyper jump back southeast, and that's exactly what it's doing. It's now about 3 miles. It probably may have to reach the tornado warning southeast of the current.
Continue on Texas 18 South for 16 miles.
Yeah, it's just east of Wink. It's immediately to my west. Yeah, it's immediately to my west southwest here. New couplet's exploding. It's about where that RFD cut is. Well, looky here. Look who I just found. Texas Tech or Texas Tech. Delper on wheels. There you go. Texas Tech. There you go. How about that? So got the researcher, guys. Right here. Can't beat that. We're collecting data. Oh, just got an RFD surge. Let's see what this thing's doing. Storm is continuing to back build southeastward. The storm is developing more and more southeastward. Got another RFD back to my northwest. These things are putting out a ton of RFDs. See which one's going to take over here. Wow. I'm gonna whip around in here. Let's do this. Be by the power lines and let's get off the road here. I'm gonna get that driveway over there. The entrance, the road entrance. This area out here's got a lot of oil and gas, and so you got a lot of oil roads and big heavy equipment, a lot of 18-wheelers and service industry. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, I see what's going on. Wow, look at that.
Head east.
Okay, I got a big bowl up to my northeast right there. I do have a couplet up to my northwest, about 4 miles. Let's see here, about 4 miles, yeah. 3 miles northwest, I got a big huge couplet now. About where the middle of the screen is, just above those trees. Do have a really good inbound, outbound couplet there. Kind of a
Texas 18 South.
Yeah,
then
that's
turn
fine.
left onto Texas 18 South.
That's fine. Okay, he's telling me where to go. Let's see here. It's not getting a big hurry of anything, actually. Boom, okay. Big Hill core. Do have another core coming up immediately east of this one. I've got a whole new stuff coming up. My gut is it's going to start interfering with this one. I've got a new core coming in from the southeast about 4 miles that's going to start interfering with the inflow of this one. That's what I think is going to happen. No guarantees. And if that happens, then, boy, I sure like that couplet just to my northwest. It's got a really good, I'm gonna go past these trees right where you're looking. We've got a really good couplet right there. I've got a good RFD couplet just southwest of Kermit. It's showing a really tight couplet. It may or may not be producing a tornado, but I like the way it looks on radar a lot. It's right where that big bowl of dirt is, of dust. It's right in that general area. It's not very far. It's like 3.5, 4 miles northwest of me. I've got shows a real strong gate-to-gate shear. Okay, the shear is increasing now just south of Kermit. I've got like a really tight couplet, Let me make sure I'm not gonna get whacked by hail. Okay, boy, that couplet's really tight on the just south of Kermit. 3 miles north of me, about where that bowl couplet is wrapping up really good. Strong inbound, outbound. Okay, I've got a wrapping hook now, just south of Kermit, the circulation, an RFD just to my northwest, and that's surging northeast up to just south of Kermit. Almost tornado vortex signature, almost, not quite, but almost. Looks like there's the Texas Tech guys, they're coming south. It's just northwest of me. I've got a hard punch coming in from the west-southwest, going RFD coming in immediately to my north. We may or may not see the tornado here momentarily. It's 2 miles to my north. I've got a strong couplet now. It's going to be on the left side of the road. Let's see what we see here. Couplet's about to punch open. We're about to go to west winds right over the road highway here. Strong inbound, outbound couplet just northwest of me here. Still there on all the radar scans. It's immediately north of me. It's right where that rain's wrapping. It's where the couplet is. It's RFD winds coming out of the west, going into, it's right. I wouldn't say it's tornado, but I do have a really good couplet up here. It's wrapped in the rain and dust. About 3 to 4 miles south of Kermit. About 2.5 south of Kermit. Strong rotating couplet. Don't see anything back to my west. I can tell there's an RFD surge immediately to my left. That's wrapped up. I'll slow down. Okay. Uh-oh, that's it. I'm done. I'm heading back. Nope. Okay, that's the wraparound. Boom, I'm out of here. Okay, the RFD couplet just came around. I'm done. Okay. Okay, got it. That one just went by. Okay, here's what that was included, but I got a brand new tornadic signature exploding back on the southern flank of this line now. Okay, there comes my west winds, strong RFD, surging in east. Yeah. Do I get your read focused here? See where the wrap is. This is where the couplet is. There's one couplet there up north. The new one's developing back south, which is the flanking line right back here. That's where the new couplet is. That just blew by, and here's the new one. It's probably the Talon Charlie Storm flanking line, which is just south here. Yeah, back southwest. Okay, we'll see what happens. Huh. They'll start focusing here in a minute, guys. Got a bowl up in the air just to my right of the highway here. That couplet's going off the east. I got a new couplet just southeast, southwest at my location. I can see it in the air. New RFD immediately to the west of the road. Can't see it. I can't show it to you right now. Brand new RFD, brand new circulations forming.
Continue on Texas 18 south for 15 miles.
Okay. A new rotation developing just west of me. Yep. It's blowing pretty hard. They dropped the tornado warning. Yep, thank you. Mine still shows it's ongoing, but my data may be behind. Got a lot of storms now breaking out. Whole lot of storms north-south, or so the storms are all going to start competing with each other, which is going to be very difficult to tornado with about 8 or 10 storms underway at the same time. They're all competing for the same inflow, so it's going to get really messy and sloppy here now. So I'd say, see what's going on south. Did you have a tornado warning down south at Fort Stockton, which was predicted? That's a good area. That's actually one of the main areas that was going to tornado day. They do have intense coupling down there. Looks like it's just south of Fort Stockton. Tornado warning. That looks like a really strong tornado signature down there. In fact, very strong. South of Fort Stockton, that storm is going to turn east-southeast in basically the middle of nowhere. So with all these storms developing, it's going to get really messy here in the sense of like it's not focused. You know, one storm getting all the inflow. It's going to get very messy. I'm going to stop the stream for right now, and then I'll bring it back if we get anything exciting going on, okay? Thank you so much. Thanks for tuning in this afternoon. Like I said, we'll get back with you here in a little bit, okay? That's what it looks like outside right now.